Hey y'all, it's dark. You can't really see me because I'm driving in the dark. But I just got some news that I have a truck. I got the call and I finally got my truck. And I was looking in the app, being nosy, trying to see like what truck, what year. And I was able to find it because they have the registration under my account. So yeah, y'all, it's about to get real. So it's 10 o'clock. And I'm about to come up here because I want to see the truck. I want to go see it. So hopefully they left the door unlocked. I just want to see it. I'm coming up tomorrow to like do all the actual stuff. So they can check it out to me and give me the binder of permits and things that I would need while I am on the way or on the road. So just bringing y'all along. All right, let's see. I think I know where they parked. So I'm gonna have to park. I think it's like parked in the front right there. Oh dang, the shop is still open. All right, so I'm gonna just walk up with them. And here it is. They have a light on in there. I'll give y'all a tour tomorrow just to see what it all looks like. I was really hoping I had the one with the LEDs, but this one don't look like it got LEDs. But I really wanted to get a truck that I wanted something new. You know, everybody wants something new, but I heard a lot about the newer trucks needing service and stuff. So I just want something more reliable. I want it to be reliable. Like, I don't want to be on the side of the road every time, all the time. So I don't mind something that's had work done on it. This changed, that changed. And that's less you have to worry about. Because, you know, with a brand new truck. And that's funny, they had that light on inside. Maybe it'll go off. But, I just wanted to see. So I'll be up here tomorrow. What's up, y'all? It's the next day. I am headed back to the terminal to sign up and sign off and get in my truck. So I should be walking out with the keys. I'll try to document as much as I can while I'm there, just to see how things are. Wish I would have brought my GoPro, but I originally wasn't going to go yet, but I was already out. So I was like, let me just go knock this out so I don't have to be wasting gas coming back this way. And this morning, my fleet manager already confirmed that the truck is ready. It's just a little weird because, like, my birthday is Monday, and I took the 3rd through the 6th off. Like it's in my offer letter. So I may not leave until next week. That only kind of makes sense. Because unless they give me something local, if I can do some local runs, I wouldn't mind that, so I can be back. So we'll see, and I'll let you guys know how that goes. We'll be back. y'all, so I am in I'm in my truck. This is a 2021 Freightliner Cascadia. It's actually very clean. They did a good job cleaning it. Now I just really got to make some money, come put my junk in it and get on the road. So this is what it's gonna be like, y'all. This is unreal. Like, this is unreal. Like, I feel like it took a while to happen, but now it really happened fast. So this is wow.